Sterling, Sterling, Sterling.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for small streams in southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia until 3 a.m. At 12:01 a.m., the reporting gauge near Strathmead Springs indicated flooding was occurring on Accotink Creek. The high water is now working southward toward Lake Accotink. Expect flooding along the creek and low-lying areas near Annandale and Rugdensworth. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
Alright guys, I'm gonna relay now. 1, 2, 3, I'll probably like that. I'll probably, okay, I lowered it a little bit. I'm gonna get recording and then I will send the relay. Wow, got the 1050 hertz in there. Nice.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for small streams in southeastern Fairfax County in northern Virginia until 3 a.m. At 12:01 a.m., a reporting gauge near Strathmead Springs indicated flooding was occurring on Accotink Creek. The high water is now working southward toward Lake Accotink. Expect flooding along the creek and low-lying areas near Annandale and Rugdensworth. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
a.m. 12 frickin' a.m. And Sterling issues a flood warning. Nice, but not so nice.